Hello guys, today we will draw a sweet kitten and puppy and hear the tale of their friendship. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there were two adorable pets, a playful kitten named Whisker and a lively puppy named Wax. Whisker lived in a cozy little house with a garden full of colorful flowers, while Wags lived next door in a house with a big, shady tree in the backyard. Whisker was a curious kitten with soft, fluffy fur and bright, sparkling eyes. Wags, on the other hand, was a bouncy puppy with floppy ears and a wagging tail that never seemed to stop. Despite their differences, Whisker and Wags became the best of friends. They would spend their days exploring the town, chasing butterflies, and playing games in the meadow. They were always there for each other, through thick and thin. One day, while playing near the river, Wags spotted a family of ducks swimming. Excitedly, he ran towards them but slipped and fell into the water. Whisker, who was watching from the riverbank, quickly sprang into action. With all her might, she reached out her paw and pulled Wags to safety. Wags was grateful to Whisker for saving him. From that day on, their bond grew even stronger. They would spend hours grooming each other, sharing stories, and cuddling under the stars. As time passed, Whisker and Wags became inseparable. They were not just friends, they were family. Their friendship was a testament to the fact that no matter how different two beings may be, love and kindness can always bring them together. And so, Whisker and Wags lived happily ever after, proving that true friendship knows no bounds. How did you like the story of the cat and the dog? Hope you enjoy. So let's complete the coloring. Blue color, pink color, green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color. So guys, see you in next drawing video. Till then, bye bye.